Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spirit Light Body. You already know. Back at it with another little video for y'all. Um, all right. So the title of this video, obviously, as you know, is "What is the Spirit?" You see what I'm saying? Like, now I know this is like really basic, but I just want to give, my perception of it. Along with some, like occult shit. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all know how we do. But anyway, though, so check it. Um, Basically the spirit is like your divine connection to the source. You see what I'm saying? Like every single tree, every single leaf, you see what I'm saying? Everything in this reality, you see what I'm saying? um Basically is a spiritual essence. You see what I'm saying? Like, and with that being said, we are a spirit. You see what I'm saying? The earth is a spirit. And anybody who's ever traveled the astral plane, you know what I'm saying? Your third eye's open. You know it's more than one earth. Like, that's a fact. Like, like no bullshit. Like, she's multidimensional, and we are also multidimensional. So listen to what I'm saying. Um, think about it like this, right? Um, the earth spirit. You see what I'm saying? Like, you're encompassed in that, but you also share it. You see what I'm saying? Like, you can't be separate from it. So that's the thing, that that the earth is God, Mother Nature is God. You see what I'm saying? Like, the source of all that is. You see what I'm saying? Like, like this earth is a living conscious entity. Like, y'all know I've said this before, and I'm just stating it again. And so you have a divine connection to that. Never let anyone tell you any different. Like, that is the truth. You see what I'm saying? Like, and I say that straight from my heart. You see what I'm saying? Straight from my heart. And oh, okay, so getting to the occult side of it or whatever, right? Like, I mean, like, man, like, let me not say the occult side of it, like, oh, like it's so hidden, but I mean, it is though. You see what I'm saying? Like, it has been hidden from you, for a while. You know what I mean? Like, and not all of you, because a lot of you are like me. You seek these things. You see what I'm saying? But I mean, it's been hidden from a lot of us. So the thing is that the occultists will call this the Atma. You see what I'm saying? And they'll tell you that, it's the self or pure consciousness, which is true. You see what I'm saying? But look at the word Atma. And a lot of times you'll hear them say at my booty. You see what I'm saying? But Atma is to be at the mother. The mother nature. You see what I'm saying? To be and to know yourself. You see what I'm saying? Know yourself and know nature. You see what I'm saying? Because you are nature. You can't be separate from nature. Like I said, you can't be separate from the creator. You can't be separate from the source. You know what I'm saying? Jump up, you come back down. You're magnetized to this earth. You know what I'm saying? Like, bump that gravity shit because it doesn't make sense. Like, but you truly are magnetized to this earth. You see what I'm saying? Like, that is true. And that's another thing, that look at the root word of magnetism, ma. You see what I'm saying? Like, so that'll let you know what I'm saying is not fake. At ma. You see what I'm saying? You are at self. You see what I'm saying? That conscious awareness that I am. The I am that I am. Y'all know I'm telling the truth, for real. My truth seekers out there, you know what I'm saying, who do this for real. Like, you already know what's up, man. But I just had to drop that because I was just kind of, like, that's what I've been buzzing on today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, that shit is deep though, for real though, man. Peace and love to all y'all out there, man. I love myself. Know thyself and be yourself, man. Just be yourself. This world will give you so many avenues that, hey, look, you can be like this. You can do this. You can smoke this cigarette. You can go to a club and drink with your friends. You can do this, and you can be like that. You can be like him. You can be like John Gotti. You can be like Scarface. You can be like Tupac. Man, fuck that. Be yourself, man, because they're trying to steal your divine connection to the source, that middleman shit. Y'all already know that Jesus shit, that middleman. Here, you got to go through him. That's not the case, man. That's why they call them sorcerers, because they go straight to the source. They demonize that shit, and it's not none to be demonized. It's the truth, my nigga. Like, I go straight to the source. You can go straight to the source, man. I love y'all, and I holla at you soon. I'll be back with the shit I've been telling y'all I'm working on. I'm still working on that Vatican and government video. I'm just getting more and more shit together, so I want to make it good. But anyway, I'm out, y'all. One love.